Today, take a look at the CRIPOP tool backpack. So it comes with a sticker. It has a very nice smell. It smells kind of like a leather. I can't tell if that's a legit leather or not. Looks like it actually is. You can kind of see the fibers there in the side. That is nice. Definitely feels like legit leather. Got very nice zippers on here. These are not the style they're going to get tangled up. We got a little loop coming out of the top. If you want to hang your keys or like a power bank or something like that, we actually got something right there built in. That is a neat little feature. Got our front pocket right here. Throw our larger objects we need easy access to. It does have walls here on the side, so it's not going to just fall out the side. Can unclip it. And we got some pockets right here where we can put pens and tools that we're going to be commonly grabbing. I do also appreciate on these straps, these are actually fairly thick, heavy-duty straps. These are not those cheap little thin straps. Nice big zipper here with even larger teeth. In case you had noticed already, we do have that bucket there on the bottom, so that will help it to stand up straight. Even when you got a lot of weight in it, that is kind of lopsided. But more importantly than that, you can take this thing and you can drop that in the mud. You're not going to have to worry about any of that mud water getting inside and contaminating your tools. It's always nice to have that. So we got a D-hook on the side, and they included what looks like a baggage tag. And we have a little... That's actually kind of interesting. So we have a USB-A and a USB-C port. That is attaching on the inside to a cable that has both USB-A and USB-C, and a pocket that I suppose you could fit some other stuff in. So that D-ring on the side also has another one of those heavy-duty straps with a little clip there on the bottom. So lots of different ways to hang things off of this guy. We got a pocket here on the side that does have some elastic on it, so you can throw a water bottle right in there. Got a couple buckets right here on the back, so you got easy access to your screwdrivers. Again, nice heavy-duty strap there for our main strap. Lots of extra cushion on that, so we're not going to be damaging ourselves. Even have a pocket right here, so when you get to a flashlight or something like that, we got a spot right there for that. Looks like we could take that off if we wanted to. Got a loop right here. We got some Velcro, and then we got Velcro on both sides of the pouch. Nice idea with that, so you don't have to worry about that thing coming off. We also got some extra loops here on the straps themselves. You can probably clip a front-facing flashlight onto those. We, of course, got our grab handle there on the top, so we can lift that guy up. Super heavy-duty material on there. Like, you can feel the rigidity of that. It definitely feels like it is going to be able to last. We do have a clip here on the straps, so if you're like me and you have a problem with these things falling off your shoulders, that is not going to be a problem with this. And plus, on top of that, they actually designed this correctly, so it's going down straight instead of just kind of hanging off the sides. So if you actually intend to use this as a backpack, this is going to be a much more comfortable solution. Got plenty of cushion on here. We also have a little strap right there. I'm not really sure what that's for. I guess you could use that kind of like as a hidden strap. Maybe you like throw a cooling pack or something like that onto that. Moving on to this side, we got a spot for a tape measure, so it's just a hook. Slap that guy on there. And we got another pouch so you could have a water bottle on both sides. Got a large rear pouch for our... Oh, wow. All kind of fun stuff. What is this? Oh, so they actually gave us a rain cover. So in the event you're going to be going out in the rain, you know that you're going to be out there for a while, you can actually cover up and protect the entire bag. That's kind of nice. Got a nice soft material here. This is going to be for your laptop. Let's see. Here is a 13-inch laptop. Accommodates that no problem. Here is a 17-inch laptop. And that will actually work with that as well. So even if you got a large laptop you need to carry around with you, you'll be able to do that with this. We have a separate pouch in here. We've got a little light. So that has a USB-C charging port there on the side. Wow, quite a bright little flashlight as well. And it's got some different color modes. And then toward the front of that, we have got kind of a mesh material right here. A large pocket there, a little bit more room on the top. So we could essentially put laptop on one side, tablet on the other side. So in our main pouch, we actually have a strap on here to make sure that we're not going to be dropping this down too far. So if, for example, you are going to be working in a wet environment, you got this thing loaded down so it's heavy, we wouldn't want that thing to drop into our water. Kind of an interesting idea. Never seen that before on a backpack. Very unique. We do also have our pouch right there. It is semi-transparent. We also have a lock in here. So if you want to be able to lock this guy up, we can do that. It does not appear that that is a PSA lock. That is just a regular old combination lock. We've got this insert, so that is just a flat plate, and we got a bunch of spots for different types of screwdrivers and utensils, and the same thing on the other side. Then in our main pocket, we got plenty of room in there. We got plenty of large pouches. You could easily fit some larger things in there, things like multimeters or even large Allen packs, no problem. We got some more of that elastic banding material right here. We have a pouch just like that over on this side. And we got a bunch of tinier pockets there, as well as another 2 pouches there on each side. So what's cool about this little guy, throw that on there, and then we can more easily see all of our tools. Or even just use that, set that up, and use that as a little portable work light. So there we go. That has got all the tools that I normally carry, plus more beyond that. This little pouch is actually pretty cool. See, I got all my screw starters, some screwdrivers, And then a whole bunch of stuff that I never would be able to carry otherwise. Plenty of room in here for Allen packs, no problem. I could probably fit both Allen packs in one slot here. Lots of room all over the place. Plus just having that little light makes it that much nicer. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice backpack.